What's the meaning of breathtaking? Breathtaking. Breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Breathtaking. The term breathtaking is often used to describe something that is awe-inspiring or extraordinary to the point that it takes one's breath away. This can refer to experiences such as witnessing a beautiful sunset, being in the presence of a magnificent natural wonder like a waterfall or mountain range, or encountering an incredibly talented artist or performer. Something that is breathtaking is so incredible and powerful that it leaves a lasting impression on the viewer or participant. The emotional impact of a breathtaking experience can be profound, leaving people feeling inspired, grateful, and awestruck by the beauty and majesty of the world around them.